Hi, and welcome to Data Science for Economics. I'm going to show you how you can automate completely a project. As an example, I will show you how I'm going to scrape this table of life expectancy by country and by different gender, and then write a quick report that will include a graph sort of looking like this. So looking at the male life expectancy at birth versus female life expectancy at birth. So to do so, I created a new project folder, and I called it Life Expectancy Project, which has two folders in it right now, codes and text. Text includes a LaTeX report, and codes include one Python script to scrape Wikipedia table and another R script to make a graph. So if you look at the Python script, it scrapes the table and then exports it into a CSV into a folder called data, which we still need to create. And the next R script downloads the CSV file and creates a plot of it, ggplot, which then is exported into figures folder and named as scatterplot.pdf. The text in question will create a report and include the scatter plot from the figures subfolder. Look how everywhere I use relative paths. I never mention where exactly my scripts are located or data is located. Everything is relative to the root directory of the project. Now, we need to run all these codes. We need one single file in Bash, and we will call it one code to rule them all. Yep, we created it. So what does this one code to rule them all do? It's a Bash syntax. It creates the folder data, creates the folder figures. Then it runs, it says run this Python script that is located in codes folder. Run this R script that is located in codes and it's called makegraphs.r. Then it zooms in into the directory of the text, runs the report, and opens the PDF file created by the report. So now I'm going to the terminal. By the way, everything is done in macOS. So first of all, I changed directory to be in our life expectancy project. And now I am going to run the codes with a Bash script. Bash codes. And then what kind of things we have there? Okay, one code to rule them all. Now I'm going to run codes, our Bash code, and look how it will generate the data and figures folder. In the data, a CSV file appears. In the figures, a scatter plot appears. And now it opened on a different screen. It opened the report, life expectancy report. And as you can see, it has all the necessary ingredients and the figure that it created on the fly. So you see how with just one code you can run all of the scripts you have. It also shows you that you don't necessarily need to write everything in one single programming language. You can have something done in Python, something done in R. You can also add stata code to execute from the terminal, and everything can talk to each other through saving either as CSV files or as other data formats. And then in the end, you got everything from scraping data to making graphs to making the report. One more thing, as you can see, I can modify all of the scripts in a single text editor and run Python and R and so on actually directly from this text editor called Sublime.